The next presentation is SNAP Ed Overview and Opportunities.
Hello, I'm Amy Branham, and I'm here with Pendleton. So what is SNAP Ed? First of all, SNAP is the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, and that is the new name for formerly food stamps. SNAP Ed is the nutrition education arm of SNAP. And we're going to share a few examples of how the program comes off the paper and into life. But first, a quick history. SNAP Ed has evolved over the years. First, it started out as the Food Stamps Nutrition Education Program, and it has evolved to a comprehensive health promotion and obesity prevention program.
So we're going to talk about the authority to administer SNAP Ed. First, SNAP Ed is authorized by the Food and Nutrition Act of 2008 as amended, also known as the Farm Bill. And then these Farm Bill requirements are codified into the Code of Federal Regulations, so the how to make it happen. And then finally, we have our SNAP Ed plan guidance, which details how to plan and administer the program. SNAP Ed is a 100% federally funded program. This year, a total of $506 million was allocated to states for their SNAP Ed programs. There is a formula in the Farm Bill that determines how much SNAP Ed funding each state receives. This visual goes over how the SNAP Ed funding flows from USDA FNS to our implementing agencies. State SNAP agencies must submit a SNAP Ed plan, which includes a description of their intervention goals and objectives. Then implementing agencies or local agencies deliver the SNAP Ed programming. SNAP Ed implementers are where we eat, live, learn, work, play, shop, and worship. There are many different types of implementing agencies that administer SNAP Ed. You have universities, public health departments, community-based organizations, tribal organizations, and even schools.
The heart of SNAP Ed is being in communities year-round. However, as an administrative program, we do have a couple of important dates to note. So one, of course, we're on the federal fiscal year, and also in SNAP Ed, we have reporting season and then planning season. So if you've ever wanted to be in two places at once, this is for you. The goals of SNAP Ed are to help people with limited resources make healthy food choices and choose physically active lifestyles. We do this through a combination of approaches.
So first, we're going to talk about our direct education approach, as you can see in the picture here. SNAP Ed direct nutrition and physical activity education classes may increase a person's knowledge of how to obtain and prepare healthy foods and to be more physically active. Classes can be conducted live or can be recorded to be watched later on. Another strategy is PSEs. SNAP Ed efforts can help communities make changes to their policies, systems, or environments. PSEs help to provide the support communities may need to perform the healthy behaviors. For example, SNAP Ed PSE strategies can help to improve availability of healthy foods in grocery stores. And finally, we have social marketing. SNAP Ed approaches can also include social marketing campaigns to help influence food and beverage choices. All of these SNAP Ed strategies together help communities create a health-promoting and supportive environment. And then next up, we have our SNAP Ed evaluation framework. This framework helps USDA FNS promote consistency across program evaluation and reporting. Our implementers use this framework for their SNAP Ed program evaluation. 7 of the 51 indicators circled, as you can see here, are designated as SNAP Ed priority outcome indicators.
All right, so now we're coming off the paper and into life. Here's one example. We intend for SNAP Ed programs to be adaptable and culturally relevant. And here in New Mexico, they have the Chile Plus nutrition education program. It's evidence-based, and it's geared towards Head Start and tribal communities. Now here, we have an example of where SNAP Ed joined university, community, and tribal organization partners to leverage funding from CDC to create a mural festival. And the idea behind this is to improve access to healthy foods and health-promoting environment. All right, and the next one here, this is a combination of SNAP Ed multi-level approach where we have direct education coming with PSE. So here the Chickasaw Nation gifted seeds, native plants, and pollinators to 3 area community gardens, and the Get Fresh program came in and provided nutrition education. One of the key factors of SNAP is community collaboration, and one model we use is state nutrition action councils. So we're SNAP, we're snack, we like it all.
So we want to say that SNAP-Ed works. We continue to see and have a positive impact across our communities. Adults report eating more fruits and vegetables, being more active, and children are drinking fewer sugary drinks because of these SNAP-Ed programs. SNAP-Ed is a flexible program that engages and supports our local communities. There are so many opportunities to get involved. A great way is to get to know more about SNAP-Ed in your state. And you can do this by visiting the SNAP-Ed Connection website to look up your state SNAP-Ed plan. You can also familiarize yourself with our resources on our SNAP-Ed Connection and SNAP-Ed Toolkit websites. So thank you so much for this opportunity to share more about SNAP-Ed. If you have any questions, we hope to connect with you at this conference. You can also reach out to us via email at snap-ed@usda.gov. And I also want to point out we have our Midwest SNAP-Ed regional coordinators here, Jessica and Robin, and feel free to connect with them as well. Thank you all.